Hi everyone, this is PV Pro Courses Kuka here, and today we're gonna go to a private lake, and we're gonna try fishing there for Easter, and we're gonna have water balloons and have a bunch of fun. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace out. So guys, I caught another fish, bro. So guys, I caught another fish.
Wait, you're recording?
Dude, here, hold this. Dude, it ate my worm.
What?
This thing ate my worm.
It is?
Yes, it's a plastic worm. It ate it.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can see, dude. Let's see.
Ate your worm?
Yeah, it ate it.
It ate his bait.
Ow, this thing. Hold this, hold this. Hold this, hold this, hold this, dude. Hey, wait. Where's the... Yeah, wait. See? Yeah, ow. Okay, guys, so, we're gonna wait him.
How many does it weigh?
Let's find out. Oh, yeah, first I gotta turn it on.
What is that for?
To weigh the fish, how much it weighs.
Oh, where's your cup? You like camera cup?
Yeah, it's a camera. See, it weighs. Oh, it weighs 90 kilograms.
Let's go inside.
That's pretty little.
It's going in the water. It's going in the water. My God.
It's definitely going on YouTube. Guys, so man. Ooh, we're gonna get another bait. Guys, so stay tuned for more videos. I mean, stay tuned. Catch more fish. Yeah, peace out. I caught one. Woo! Dati, come here! That man, Dati! Yo, bro, yo!
Where's your
Hold this, hold this. Right here. Dati!
Give me it.
Come here! No, I'm gonna hold it. Look, it's a big one! Go, come on in. Dati, come here! Dati! Go! Oh, I gotta turn on. Hold, okay,
You need help?
no. Yo, so huge.
Be careful, Tati's coming. Hold on. Alex got a big fish.
It weighed, how much did it weigh? 17. How much?
0.1 pound and 10, 16, 21, 38, 60, 89, 2 pounds, 174.
Yeah, so it went with like over like.
Hold on, it's going to 3 pounds.
Right here.
Whoa, god damn, how big is that thing, dude?
It's like 3 pounds, something like that.
It's a little over
2,
3 pounds.
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta take a picture of this.
Hold it.
Wow. That is a beast, dude.
Dude, this is like bro here.
Ready? You ready?
This is bro.
He's
He's going out fish brain.
Hold on. Come on, show the picture. Show the fish. There you go. Right there. Flip it. No, yeah.
Big mouth bass.
Well, go down on your face a little bit more. Right there.
Hold this.
That's a monster, bro. That's a monster,
First,
dude.
let me.
Guys, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, bro. 2 or 3 pounds.
Look at that, bro. Guys, look, it's
Okay,
fat.
I need how to take this thing off. He's gonna die.
Here, get to me.
Adrian, here.
Give me.
Camera.
Guys, okay.
Me? Look at that big old fish. Look.
Dude, you set the hook like real nice.
Dude. This is gonna be like, I was like, woo! That's a big monster, bro. Woo!
Look at that.
Huge, man. Look at that fish, bro. The monster, man. Look at that fat. What?
No,
Okay.
that's the way you grab him.
Yeah, okay.
Hold on.
Put him back in. Otra vez.
Look at that big splash.
It's like a huge monster, bro. No, poor fish, no. Yeah,
For the sport, woman.
yes. Look at that eyes. Okay, put him back in. Throw him.
Damn, that's a big ass.
Guys, it was like 2 or 3 pounds, bro. Guys, hope you like, comment, subscribe. Gotta get comments for that fish. Comment down below how big is that fish, bro. That was literally my last cast. I was gonna make him go back in,
Guys,
bro.
what the? Whoa.
Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, peace out.